Good morning, everyone. My name is John Reed. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of the Octave Institute. We're here today at the SANGHA Retreat in Suzhou, China. The SANGHA Retreat is a community platform for mindful living, and what we do is truly bring together a holistic approach of the best of Western science and medicine, together with Eastern philosophies that you would find in China primarily, and of course India as well, into different modalities for our guests to allow them to learn and grow personally through 6 living habits of what we know as sleeping, eating, breathing, awareness, mindful thinking, and movement. And so we offer many different programs across our beautiful retreat facility that comprised of the At-One Clinic, our At-One accommodations, as well as the At-One Spa. And together, what we do is really fuse together amazing programs for the guests that allow them to grow both internally and externally, really achieving that higher level of consciousness, taking on a much better form of living for themselves, what we truly define as mindful living, as they progress through our program and then when they leave and go beyond Sangha itself. So what we're going to do now is take a small walk around the property, and I'll introduce you to some of the areas that we have on offer. We are here in Thought for Food, which is our restaurant in At-One, which is guided by our executive chef, Paul Ten, one of Singapore's most celebrated chefs. Paul has had tremendous experience in some of the world's top Michelin star restaurants and has joined us here for the last couple of years to create an incredible guided culinary journey for our guests that takes into account really their true nutritional needs, guided again by one of our nutritionists. And it's a culinary journey that's based on the best of what is available from farm to table, not only sourced locally, but within the region across Southeast Asia. So very nutritious food, low carbohydrate count. What we see is a tremendous impact on the guest nutrition, not only in how pleased they are with our cuisine, but also in weight loss that they achieve normally over the course of their journey with us. So Thought for Food is an incredible concept that we have across the entire retreat facility that you'll see as we go later to another one of our restaurants. And it is all about farm-to-table, organically grown cuisine and food items that we offer not only for guests to have here on the property, but also to be able to take away with them should they wish. This is one of our connection rooms. We actually have several connection rooms and movement rooms, which we used for bringing guests together for presentations on what we call our 6 living habits, or as well for smaller meetings together with some of our counselors and facilitators for everything from nutrition management, relational management, to consciousness discussions, mindfulness training. And all of these, just as you can see, have this incredible view looking back out across Yangtze Lake and across our beautiful lotus pond that's here as well. Incredible rooms for inspiration and really bringing together and honing the programs that we offer here at SANGHA Retreat. We are here in one of our movement rooms, which we use for yoga and other forms of movement. Next door is our Pilates room. We do mindfulness programs here, sound healing. As you can see behind us, we've got some beautiful gongs and singing bowls that we offer for different forms of treatments. So we have a variety of different specialists and practitioners who guide guests on different, as I mentioned, movement programs, the sound healing. It could be yoga, it could be HIIT programs, high intensity workout programs. And these all tied together within our overall program offering of, as I highlighted earlier, just those programs that bring together everything from movement to nutrition to addressing sleep issues, awareness, mindfulness. So the programs that we offer overall really offer a comprehensive and integrated approach to each individual's needs and looking at what are the functional needs of that individual, again, aspiring to bring in the different wisdoms of the East with Western medicine. So we do offer programs that look at everything from sleep issues, nutritional issues, gut management issues, movement issues, spinal alignment, and then as well emotional issues, so looking at the mindfulness behind that. And what we try to do through a functional approach is really look at what is the root cause and address it, not just strictly what is the issue that someone may have, but what is the root cause of that issue and how we can address that through different program modalities. Guests often come in with the mindset of, I want this program or that program, but once they come in, meet our doctors, have some basic diagnostic tests, then we truly set them on a journey that addresses what are those root issues. And then from there, the program flourishes into something that's much more mindful to all of their needs and really looking at what is the body saying, not just what the mind is saying. I will now take you into our spa. We're starting with this amazing walk through what is a tunnel, as you can see, which just offers amazing visuals and various sense of peace and calm as you enter the spa itself. Our At One Healing Spa truly optimizes the mind, body, and spiritual balance through treatments designed to restore and rejuvenate what are sort of the natural elements and balances of one's self through water, light, heat, sound, and energy. This is all combined with some of the most incredible state-of-the-art wellness technology to truly provide what is a holistic healing experience. The design, as you come in, you can see is very warm and welcoming. You feel very cocooned no matter where you are, really not only in the spa but throughout the property itself. But the understated elegance of the spa just allows for this balance of harmony and really to be at peace with oneself through relaxation. One of our unique offerings here at the Sangha Retreat is our meditation dome, which was actually built and constructed with precise dimensions to capture the rising sun, to capture that radiating energy as the sun comes up over the horizon. And within the dome, what we have is truly incredible acoustics that create an unforgettable experience, aural experience, as we offer sound healing treatments as well as meditation and breathing exercises within the dome itself. We offer a variety of treatments here. Underneath the floor of the meditation dome is an array of crystals that provide energy as one sits or lays in the dome itself and then takes on these beautiful meditation and acoustic treatments and offering experiences. Here we are at the At One Clinic, which is truly the center of the property for wellness. What we've created is a clinic of international standards, founded on the basis of Western and Chinese integrated and functional treatments and medicine, really bringing the best of Eastern philosophies and Western medicine together. Our clinic offers what is a holistic health and lifestyle approach and solutions to giving balance and integration of the mind, body, and spirit to allow you to truly be at one with yourself, to allow each guest to achieve a personalized program to address what we call the 6 living habits. At Sangha Retreat, we follow the most up-to-date health protocols to ensure you have a memorable experience throughout your well-being journey.